Okay, I'm cooking again there. We're here on bacon today. So there's this bicycle racer named Phil Gaimon, and he's like super into cookies, but not quite as much as into cookies as I am. Anyway, he had this thing a couple weeks ago where if you did like a 100-minute ride, you get a free bag of cookies. So I did a 100-minute ride and I got a free bag of cookies right here. And so today we're gonna check out these cookies. And you should support his cool cookie company because you see right there, it says no kid hungry right there. So if you buy these cookies, you help feed kids, and that's awesome. So let's see what you have to do to make these cookies. So we'll need 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, which I have right here. It's a very hot container, so you gotta be careful. I kind of over nuked it a little bit. Pour that in there. You need 2 teaspoons water. 1, 2 teaspoons of water. Now I got preheat in the oven. I got the preheat in the oven going on right there at 350 already. Melt the butter, let it cool slightly. That's done. Pour contents of a bag into bowl. It was easy to rip open, but it ripped open above the open thing. It drives me crazy when it happens. Okay, that's a better one. I'm gonna take these contents and pour them in there. This is kind of magical right here. Okay, I'm gonna mix them up with my mixing fork. What happened? I'll read the rest of the instructions and see what's going on here. Let's see. Pour them into the thing, stir in with melted butter and water, mix until combined. Then scoop ping pong sized balls of dough and place them on a baking sheet. This is all stuff I can do. I mean, I'm a professional chef, so you figure no problem right there. And then after we're gonna do this, then we're gonna bake them for 11 to 14 minutes. I'm gonna go 12. 12 minutes seems like a good amount of time to me. Look at that, it's already mixed up. Look how nicely it's mixed up right there. Wow. Totally mixed, totally nice. Now, you're supposed to put it on a thing with like parchment paper or a silicone thing, but I don't know. I didn't have that today. So what I got today, it's non-stick, so hopefully they won't stick too much. I don't know. I'm a little nervous. This is only gonna make like 2 cookies because it's just a sample pack. Take that, plop it down. Like I say, there's a lot of chocolate chips in here. These are gonna be really good cookies, I think, because they have muy chocolate chips. I think I got a little extra. I'll try to combine this onto one of the cookies. Extra chocolatey goodness. Okay, so look at that. Oh. So right there I got 2 ping pong-ish sized balls of the chocolate cookies. And these things are super chocolatey, so I'm pretty darn excited right now about how good these things are gonna be. Now I'm gonna take these, I'm gonna stick them in the oven for 11 to 14 minutes. And we'll be right back. I'm back now. Okay, so this is super exciting. I love cookies so much. So I got 2 good looking cookies out of that, and as I suspected, they're super duper chocolatey looking. I mean, there's lots of heavy duty chocolate chips going on in this cookie. It's what's warm, it just came out of the oven. It's nice and soft. I did the 11 minutes, and I let it cool down for a few minutes after that, so I won't burn. Because if you've seen before, you know I will tend to burn my mouth quite a lot. So let's give it a go. That's a super good cookie. That's pretty amazing. For a cookie that comes in a powder in a bag, all the way from California, this is a super terrific cookie. You should go on this dude's website and order a bunch of cookie bags for yourself. And you can make these spectacular cookies. See you next week.